hello everyone, my Kitain army. A very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session. I hope that you all are doing good. And we're gonna discuss top 20 term 2 questions, carbon and its compounds, okay, not atoms. So you know the chapter name, I believe, part 1. So because we have 20 questions and we would be doing this in 2 sessions, okay. So top 10 questions we are discussing today, they are in the form of objective only, because we have been doing the subjective questions for quite a long time. So I guess now you guys should take a break from that, and the next session of the remaining 10 questions would be on the subjective basis, okay. So let's get started, and I hope your preparation is going on great. And if in case you are new on the channel, then please subscribe to it so that you do not miss on any of the sessions that we are coming up with. There might be some fun sessions related to student lives, okay. They are the academic sessions, the non-academic sessions, the tips and tricks that will help you to ace your term 2 exams, okay. So everything we would be covering there. So tell me in the chat box, how are you all feeling? And we have completed 1.1 lakh subscribers on the channel, and that is because of you, okay. Yes, Zed, this is my Kitain army. I remember you, and Shilpi ma'am hasn't even combed the hair properly. So excuse me for that. Okay, so guys, anyway, one important thing I guess you all know now, that for the first time ever, Vedantu has launched the Drona batch. Now, what is this Drona batch? So I guess you all are connected on the Hindi channel of Vedantu, where Abhishek sir is taking the physics, Anubha Gaur ma'am is taking chemistry, then Amrit sir is taking biology, then you have Harsh Priyam sir taking the mathematics, Ankana ma'am is taking social studies, and Amit sir is taking the English part. So for the first time, all these teachers came together and they would be teaching on the same pro batch of the Vedantu. So pehle aisa nahi hua. So if in one of the batch, let's say Abhishek sir is taking the physics, then I was maybe taking chemistry. If some in other session Anubha ma'am is taking chemistry, so maybe let's say your social studies teacher Ananya sir is taking social studies there. But this time the team of the same channel, okay, all the master teachers who are teaching on the same channel, they have came forward and will be teaching in the Drona batch. So that is going to be a very good, crash course, and you all know that the quality of the crash course would be amazing. And it's written on 16th of February, the registration got started, and aaj kitni tarikh hai? This is 21st. Today will be the first class of the Drona batch, so you still have time to enroll in this batch, okay. And aaj ki class ka you can still watch the replay and everything. So from the next session onwards, tomorrow you would be joining in here. So within 15 days, the entire syllabus of 10th term 2 would be revised by these amazing master teachers. And you can always apply Shilpi ma'am's coupon code to get extra discount. And what is my coupon code? In the chat box, yes, Darshan beta, for term 2 revision of class 9th, you can join the Udan batch, okay. Udan batch mein all the English teachers are there. Yay, so you still have time. Aap usko join kar lo, Udan batch ko, okay. And Achintya has written a code in the chat box. Yes, the same code is to be used by you, and that is Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro. Link you will get in the description box of the video. Okay, so Udan batches for class 9th and Drona batches for class 10 students, term 2 crash course. Okay, I guess everything is clear. Garima beta, we don't have Menti today. It's just this objective questions we would be discussing here. Fine? Yeah. Okay, I guess that is fine, and we can start. First question on your screen, what is the answer? Would you mind telling me that? The electronic configuration of an element is found to be 2,4. How many bonds can one carbon atom form in a compound? Now they have given the configuration 2,4, and we know that this is for carbon itself. The atomic number is 6. The configuration kitna hai? Yes, 2,4. So that means, what is the valency of carbon? Garima, are you fine? Your answer is right. Are you sure? 5. Carbon is going to make 5 covalent bonds. Yes, Nitro. And guys, why are so less students at this time? Is this a time that your school classes are going on or something else? Is this time not favorable for you? Let us know, because we can shift the class timings, okay, according to your comfort. You can let us know about that. Yes. Okay, 4, I see that. So valency आप देख सकते हो 4 होगा, because 4 valence electrons are already there, and in order to get stabilized carbon needs to share 4 more valence electrons, है ना, 4 और electrons चाहिए. If it shares 4 electrons, it will be getting a configuration 2,8, that would be of neon, right? So how many bonds can carbon form in a compound? It would be using 4 of its valence electrons and contributes in the sharing, right? So how many covalent bonds? That would be 4. So carbon has a valency of 4, इसीलिए we call carbon as tetravalent. Okay, clear है? So it can make 4 covalent bonds, and that too can be single, double or triple covalent bonds. Easy peasy, not difficult. The next one, you are provided with a molecular formula C3H8, and you have to tell to which homologous series it belongs. Alkynes, alkenes, alkanes or cycloalkanes. In the chat box, everyone, yes, Nitro, right. School is going on, Raja is saying. Coaching time, Tripti, okay. Okay, are you sure it is alkynes, Achintya? Alkane, Garima, okay, this time write more answers I want. Raja has given the answer alkane. Karthik has given the answer, very good. ओके चिंत्या डिलीट कर दिया मैसेज, मैंने तो पढ़ लिया. सो चिंत्या, यू आर रिमाइंडिंग मी ऑफ दैट व्हाट्सएप का फीचर. उसमें होता है ना, व्हाट्सएप में समवन सेंड्स यू टेक्स्ट एंड फिर वो डिलीट कर देते हैं. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट. या तो आप भेजो मत मैसेज या आप डिलीट मत करो. स्टिक टू योर वर्ड्स, है ना. सो व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? डिलीटिंग द मैसेजेस ऑप्शन होना ही नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज इट क्रिएट्स अ सस्पेंस, यू नो, पता नहीं क्या मैसेज था, है ना. डू यू गाइज ऑल्सो फील लाइक दैट? Alkene, Deepu, are you sure? Okay, yes. Very good. So C3H8 belongs to alkanes family. So you know, number of hydrogen are twice plus 2 the number of carbon atoms. It is following a general formula CnH2n plus 2, that is of alkanes. Put the n value 3. C3H2 into 3 will be 6 plus 2 will be 8. So it gives you C3H8. Okay, so that is an alkane. Yes. Okay, and इसके बाद tell me for 3 carbon atoms what would be the formula of alkene? That would be C3H6, है ना. CnH2n is the general formula. And alkynes के लिए what would be the formula if there are 3 carbon atoms? Tell me. For alkyne, what is the molecular formula? The general formula you can use CnH2n minus 2. C3H4, yes. C3H, you can do 3 into, like what you're doing, 6 minus 2 would be 4, है ना. किसके लिए निकाल रहे हो? You can see that. So for alkanes, it would be C3H8. Alkenes with 3 carbon would be C3H6, and alkynes would be C3H4. And cycloalkanes also have the same general formula as those of alkenes. Okay, cycloalkane में भी it would be C3H6, है ना. That would be cyclopropane like this. कर सकते हो? Yes. अच्छा, sorry, I am hiding the screen. I guess now it is fine. Yeah. Okay, that was so easy. You guys can do this question. C3H8 belongs to homologous series of alkanes. चलो एक question कर लेते हैं. IUPAC nomenclature is not in your syllabus although, but a basic question we have taken from here. So you have to give the IUPAC name of the given hydrocarbon, right? So what you will study? First step is to always select the longest carbon chain, है ना? So here I see a longest carbon chain is of 4 carbon atoms, है ना. 4 किया, कहीं और से आप देखो, then also you will be getting the 4 carbon if you go this way, like you know, I am showing you CH3, CH2, CH3. This is also giving you 4 carbon atoms, है ना. So the longest possibility is the 4 carbon atoms. Okay, yes. The next step is that we start the numbering. So you guys tell me, I should start numbering from right to left, 1 2 3 4, or I should start numbering from left to right, 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, JK Rowling भी मेरी क्लास में. अरे वाह, I'm waiting for the next part. Cursed child भी बना दो. Yes, in the movie. Hi JK, how are you feeling? Left to right, Kusum is saying. How many of you agree with Kusum? Left to right और right to left कर सकते हैं हम. नंबरिंग ही तो करना है, कहीं से भी कर दो. Why does it matter? Okay. ठीक है. So what you will do? Yes, left to right is the right way. It's not कि in every case you have to remember left to right, है ना? So the rule for IUPAC nomenclature says that once you have selected the longest carbon chain, the continuous longest carbon chain that should be of continuous carbon atoms, the next step is to give the numbering. अब numbering कैसे देंगे? Numbering is to be given in such a way so that these substituents which are not a part of the main carbon chain, they are getting the lowest number. Are you getting this point? मतलब they should get a low rank. जैसे if I ask you what position do you want to get in your test score, you want to come first or you want to come 10th? You will say, ma'am, I want a lower rank, है ना? I want to come first in my class, not 10th. So similarly in the IUPAC nomenclature, we have to give the numbering from that side of the chain, from where the substituents, the functional groups or the double triple bonds, they get a lower number. Okay, so from left to right you can see the second carbon, it is getting a second number, है ना? अगर right से left देखोगे, it will be getting a higher number. So we would be cancelling this possibility. Okay, so we will be starting from the 2. So how we would be naming it? First of all, we need to talk about the substituents. ठीक है? So देखो, ये तीन चीजें होते हैं IUPAC nomenclature में, PPS. The first one is a prefix. Okay, the next P stands for a parent chain and S is for the suffix. ठीक है? And in the prefix I would be adding any substituent if that is there, right? So you can see over here that on the second position we are having a methyl group. Again one more methyl group is there, है ना? दो methyl group है, so we need to mention 2,2-dimethyl. Okay, so whenever there are two numbers that you are writing together, they should be separated by a comma, and between a number and an alphabet there should be a hyphen. Okay, so there are some basic rules, not in your syllabus although, but you should know it. 2,2-dimethyl and longest carbon chain is having how many carbon atoms? 4. So word root क्या होगा? But. है ना? So word root of the parent chain would be but, and all carbon bonds are single, so it would be ending with ane. So this is 2,2-dimethyl butane. I guess you all can do it. Yes, Yari, the nomenclature is omitted from the syllabus this time. Hanji. But basic nomenclature na, it will help you in class 11th if you people are looking forward to take science. So you have a lot of time, so you should do it. Okay. Hi JK Rowling, how are you? I've taken your name. I'm a huge fan. Yes. Complete combustion of a hydrocarbon gives what? Tell me in the chat box, guys. Complete combustion of a hydrocarbon is going to give you what? Carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so that is what your fossil fuels give you. Fossil fuels जो होते हैं, they are nothing, just the hydrocarbons, and when you are burning these fossil fuels, then what happens? They give you carbon dioxide that causes global warming in the atmosphere. That is why excess consumption of fossil fuels is harmful for the environment. Apart from that, we do get water and lots of energy that you can use for various purposes. जैसे thermal power plants में we use this energy to generate the electricity, है ना? So you guys know that. So you will remember, एक बार ना ये question आ चुका है एग्जाम में. Complete combustion of hydrocarbon gives what? Okay, this was asked in one of the previous year paper. Carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Chalo, very good. The next question is about the Drona batch. So who are the teachers that would be teaching in the Drona batch? Can you guys tell me? Yes. Okay. Which teachers are going to take your classes in the Drona batch? How many of you know that? All your Hindi channel master teachers. Vedantu 9th and 10th. channel. Yes, AKR sir. So if a lot of you were waiting कि AKR sir के pro batch में जाना है, this is the time. Okay, so you would be able to study physics from him, and this is the best crash course which would be giving you 30 plus live sessions. There would be doubt solving during the classes. You would be getting the replays of the sessions, and not just that, you will also be getting the notes, session notes, and everything is there. Okay, so do not miss it. अभी भी कुछ seats बाकी है, so go and check the enrollment. If not that, then जो next Drona batch होगा, you will get immediate enrollment there if it comes, because the demand is so much. So we are getting a lot of enrollments in the Drona batches and the Udan batch. So you guys still have like one site that you can go for it. अभी से enrollment ले सकते हो, so that you can get in the upcoming batch. You still have a lot of time, and if you prepare in the advance, that would be a great thing. Let's target 50 likes by the end of the session. We have covered 30 likes, guys. Make sure that you hit the like button of the video. 50 likes का target is not very huge, है ना. 33 तो अभी हो गया. We can achieve 50 likes. Come on. So guys, this Udan is for class 9th enrollment. If there is some 9th standard student, आप इसको join कर सकते हो, very cheap. Okay, and Drona batch is also available at a very less price. So yeah, this is your details of the Drona batch. Grade 10th term 2 crash course preparation. This again comes with the two plans, light and classic. So I would advise you आप classic में जाओ, because the price is same for both of them. So let's ignore light for a while. ठीक है, क्लासिक को देखो. You do get live interactive classes. All the sessions would be live. Yes, Abhishek sir would be taking a live session along with Harsh sir and all the other teachers. Okay, so you have a like great experience there. Plus next standard में, if you guys are looking forward to be connected with Vedantu, then this is a very great time. You can know about the platform also, है ना. So you can know whether to go with this in future or not, because future में you might have to pay large amount of money at any place for your coachings or anything. So you will get an idea at least that how Vedantu conducts its paid sessions, how Vedantu conducts its pro batches, है ना. What are the features in our long term classes, how it is different from YouTube. So all that experience you would be able to get over here in the batch, plus term 2 would be secured. So अभी भी काफ़ी time है, and फिर बाद में बहुत सारा break आ जाएगा. Festival is coming next month. Lot of your time would be consumed, so it's better festival से पहले ही अपना revision pack कर दो, so that you are on a safer side. Then keep on solving the questions, past year papers and all the sample papers and stuff. This will really help you to just complete pack your performance. So live classes मिलेंगी, test series and analysis will also be there. So don't worry, when we are done with the crash course, you will also be getting a test. Okay, and आपका analysis होगा, how much you have learned, where you need to improve, each and everything. Because if you are connected with us in the pro batches, then we believe that it is our responsibility to make you just reach your goal, whatever you have in your mind. And doubt solving during the classes, unlimited doubt solving होगी in the classic subscription. So I have already applied my coupon code. मैं हटा के बता देती हूँ what is the course price. 3300. Okay, and if you apply Shilpi Mam's course, Shilpi Kaushik Army, in the Udan batch, SKA Pro, and in the Drona batch also, so you will get it for 2,970 rupees from the best master teachers of Vedantu. Okay, I guess that is clear to all of you. Yeah, Mohammed, it went well. Thank you so much. Yes, Achintya, you are already in my pro batch. Okay, ठीक है. I guess the things are clear to you, है ना? So we can continue our session. So guys, don't miss it. Link आपको नीचे मिलेगा, और आपको लेना ही है enrollment. कह दिया ना? बस कह दिया. ओके चलो. सो नाउ द बैच इज स्टार्टिंग ऑन 21st of February. कोई बात नहीं, रिप्ले मिल जाएगा एक दिन का. एंड अभी भी इफ यू टेक द एनरोलमेंट राइट अवे, यू वुड बी एबल टू गो इन द बैच. अदरवाइज इफ यू थिंक कि मैम एक और ध्रुना बैच होगा, तो आई डोंट नो होगा या नहीं. सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक रिस्क, यू कैन टेक इट. ओके, हाँ, यस, एंजल प्रो. So what is Shilpi Mam's coupon code? Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro. Where is my Cation Army these days? नजर ही नहीं आ रहे हैं यार. Cation Army के बच्चे सेशंस नहीं ले रहे हो क्या तुम लोग, या तुमने टीम बदल लिया? सच बताओ. चिंटू आर्मी में तो नहीं चले गए हो? भावना आर्मी, चिंटू आर्मी, गोपू आर्मी. I spot less students in the live chat today. Okay. हाँ, I know that. Very good. चलिए, so now the next one. हाँ यार, ये बेटा इसीलिए होता है because they are also having one more thing ना. हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में क्या है? हाइड्रोजन प्लस कार्बन है ना. So in the presence of water आप combustion, like you are what you are doing. Let's say मीथेन है मेरे पास, ठीक है. मीथेन इज अ हाइड्रोकार्बन एंड आई एम डूइंग combustion in the presence of oxygen. So what is released? I would be getting CO2 gas as well as we do get the water vapors. ठीक है, इसीलिए वाटर आता है because this hydrogen is coming from the hydrocarbons and oxygen कहाँ से आया? Oxygen is coming because आपने combustion किया in the presence of air, है ना. So that is why you do get water also along with it. Okay. हाँ, I see some blue hearts coming. Yes, Achintya, right? I know. In which of the given compounds OH is the functional group? OH पहले बताओ कौन सी फैमिली से है? You know a lot about this family, I believe, because you use it a lot in hand sanitizers, है ना? Don't get me wrong. So alcohol, है ना? Okay, very good. So you two are getting the this is from the alcohol, and alcohols always end with ol. ठीक है, जो इनके लिए सफिक्स होता है, सफिक्स फॉर दिस फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज ओल. सो ब्यूटेनॉल होगा, ठीक है. एंड ब्यूटेनोन, दिस इज फॉर कीटोन. ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, ये किसके लिए होता है? दिस इज फॉर योर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, है ना. दिस इज फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स. एंड ब्यूटेनल, दिस इज फॉर एल्डिहाइड्स. ओके, सबका पता होना चाहिए आपको. सिंपल है या ओके. यार इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन में आपको कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड भी मिलता है, ठीक है. Okay, in which of the given compounds OH is the functional group? Butanol. Sorry, the same question. How many single bonds are present in methane? How many single bonds are present in marsh gas? ऐसे भी आ सकता है ना. Methane is known as marsh gas because it is found in the marshy place. दलदल वाली जगह पर होती है. And there are, yes, very good, my cation army. Methane, 4 single covalent bonds are there, है ना, because carbon has a configuration 2-4, है ना. So these are the 4 valence electrons of carbon, and this is hydrogen with its 1 valence electron. So each hydrogen is getting a duplet, and carbon also gets an octet by sharing 4 electrons with the 4 hydrogen. So that gives you a total of 4 covalent bonds, right? Tetrahedral structure होता है. Answer would be 4. Very good. Next, a hydrocarbon should have a minimum of how many carbon atoms to show isomerism? Yes, बताओ, how many minimum number of carbon atoms would be required? Let's talk about a general case, structural isomerism. Yes, in the chat box. 3, 4, 5, 6. Raja is saying 5. Okay. Isomerism, you understand na? Yes, Mohammed. So you are provided with a formula. Let's say मैंने आपको एक formula दिया C4H8, है ना. The same molecular formula, how many different structures you can draw for it? They would be its isomers. 3 के लिए हरीश्री सिंह. अच्छा, शुरू करते हैं. देखो, let's start with 2 carbons. Sorry. Is there any other way that these 2 carbon atoms can be drawn in a structure? कोई और तरीका हो सकता है? No. Okay, 3 carbon atoms. Is there any other way that I can arrange these 3 carbon atoms? बताओ, क्या कोई और structure हो सकता है that you can take these 3 carbon atoms? Nope, कोई भी नहीं है. देखो, if you think yes ma'am there is a possibility like this also, तो ये गलत है ना. So you need to see, अरे ma'am, this is also not having any other structure possibility. So we will try with at least 4 carbon atoms. ठीक है, चलो 4 carbon atoms देखते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. One way is to keep all the 4 carbon atoms in a straight chain. और क्या तरीका हो सकता है, यू कैन कीप द 3 कार्बन एटम्स इन अ स्ट्रेट चेन एंड 4th कार्बन यू कैन अटैच एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. ये हो सकता है, yes or no? 3 carbon in a straight chain and 4th carbon as a substituent, so this becomes the branched isomer, है ना, branched chain है, and this is the straight chain. So such kind of isomers are known as chain isomers, जिसमें you are varying the chain length of the carbon skeleton. Okay, simple है, कर सकते हो. So what is the answer? Minimum number of carbon atoms that you require are 4. Fine, हो जाएगा. नो यारी बेटा, यू हैव टू डू आइसोमेरिज्म. ओके, हाँ जी, वो डिलीट नहीं हुआ है. नेम द फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन कंपाउंड. यस, व्हाट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन दिस? एसीटोन, इसका जनरल नाम है एसीटोन. ओके, यस. अल्कोहल, अल्कोहल तो नहीं है, अल्कोहल्स आर लाइक OH, वो तो पता है तुम्हें अल्कोहल्स का. कार्बोक्सिलिक इज ऑल्सो नोन टू यू. कीटोन्स, यस, दिस इज अ कीटोन, है ना. एल्डिहाइड्स के लिए वी आर हैविंग CHO. इजी है. दिस इज एसीटोन एंड कीटोन में कार्बन इज डबल बॉन्डेडली अटैच्ड टू ऑक्सीजन. कैन यू ड्रॉ द इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर दिस? बेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट आया एग्जाम में बना लोगे? Yes, always start with your carbon skeleton, है ना. So let's attach all the carbon atoms, and in this CO, carbon is double bondedly attached to oxygen. Now attach all the other hydrogen atoms so that valency is satisfied of every element. ठीक है. Okay, so this is the open chain structure. Once you draw the open chain structure, electron dot बना सकते हो. Yes, can you draw the electron dot structure for this? No ma'am, we don't want to do it. देखो कुछ नहीं करना होता, you have to copy paste your open chain structure. ठीक है, open chain structure को copy paste कर देंगे हम, and instead of the bond lines we would be showing the electron of the respective element. ठीक है, यहाँ पर ध्यान दो. जैसे I want to draw the electron dot structure of acetone. First I will draw the open chain structure. So open chain structure is visible to you. वहाँ से क्या करना है, देखो there is a single bond between one carbon and hydrogen. So show the electrons of that single bond. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी there is a single bond between carbon and hydrogen. Show the electrons. Here also carbon is sharing one electron with this carbon. Show it. This second carbon is sharing 2 electrons with the with this oxygen atom, okay, and 1 electron with this carbon. This carbon is sharing its 1 electron with hydrogen here, 1 here and 1 here. ठीक है, so instead of the bond line in the open chain structure you have to show the electrons of a bond. यही करना होता है, there is no difficulty. And oxygen के लिए let's show all its valence electrons now, 6. Okay, now you can make the circles and you can show that octet and duplet of every element is completed. Like hydrogen got a duplet at all the places, है ना. यहाँ से देखो oxygen is getting a complete octet by sharing 2 electrons with carbon. Hydrogen got the duplet, this hydrogen got duplet, इसको भी मिल गया. Now you can show the octet of the carbon atom. देखो 1 electron it has shared with this hydrogen, 1 here and 1 with the carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, है ना. For this carbon also यहाँ से एक electron मिला, एक यहाँ से मिला और 2 oxygen से. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this carbon is sharing 1 electron with this carbon and 3 with each hydrogen. That is your beautiful electron dot structure of the acetone. You can draw this now in the chat box, everybody. है ना. So they have asked you electron dot structure for ethanol. So you should be now aware about all the other functional group. ठीक है, the basic bonding you need to see कैसे होता है ना. That becomes important for us because we cannot risk it, है ना. We need to be prepared for the worst situation always. Yes. Okay, so यहाँ पर ऐसे you can see the carboxylic acids also. Carboxylic में there is a bonding like this. Carbon is double bondedly attached to 1 oxygen and 1 OH here. ठीक है, यहाँ से you can attach the carbon chain. कीटोन के लिए I have shown you. and aldehydes में क्या bonding होती है, carbon is double bondedly attached with oxygen and single bonded with 1 hydrogen. ठीक है, बना सकते हो सबके लिए. यू कैन ड्रॉ द इलेक्ट्रॉन डार्क स्ट्रक्चर. विच ऑफ दीज इज अ नोबल गैस? इजी. कार्बन, आर्गन, नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन. Yes, very good Achintya. I believe in you. You can do it. Argon is a noble gas. अच्छा, सारी noble gases बता दो. He never arrives. He never arrives. करा 0 run पे out. Okay, anyway. हिंदी वाला trick how we used to do it. हीना, नेहा और कैटरीना X-ray रंगीन है. So it's like whatever way you wanna do it. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. This is the best way. So all these are group 18 elements, noble gases, because they have achieved nobility. They're like, we don't want to react with any other element. You know, we are having a complete duplet and octet, so we don't want to do it. Right? Which of the given has a triple bond? Hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, or ammonia molecule? जल्दी आंसर दे दो in the chat box. Yes, Naruto, मेरी मेहंदी हो गई. हाँ, you see? Yes. Okay. Yes, nitrogen. Very good. Pakhi has given the answer. Achintya, Hari, Deepu सबने दे दिया. Okay. ठीक है. So you can देखो इसको देख लो. Triple bond मतलब 3 electrons would be shared. Nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons already. है ना, तो उसको कितने चाहिए octet completion के लिए? 3 और चाहिए. So nitrogen would be sharing 3 electrons. है ना, एंड 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करके उसको ऑक्टेट मिल जाएगा. सो देयर इज अ ट्रिपल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. इसीलिए नाइट्रोजन इज आल्सो रिगार्डेड एज एन इनर्ट गैस. यू नो, नाइट्रोजन इज फिल्ड इन योर चिप्स पैकेट्स because this bond is strong. It is not easy to break this bond. So ज़्यादातर cases में nitrogen doesn't react. See, so you see whenever you are heating, let's say आप magnesium को heat कर रहे हो in the presence of air, then why in the presence of air only it reacts with oxygen? Why not with nitrogen? Nitrogen का percentage तो बहुत ज़्यादा है ना, but you don't see this reaction with nitrogen easily because of this triple covalent bond. Okay, this is quite strong, so it doesn't break in very easy scenario. So it is regarded as an almost inert gas. So if you want magnesium to react with nitrogen, you have to take high concentration of nitrogen. ठीक है, आपको conditions बनाने पड़ते हैं. You have to only take the metal and get in contact with just nitrogen gas. Then you would be getting the nitride of magnesium. ओके, हाँ, मैग्नीशियम नाइट्राइड भी बनता है स्पेसिफिकली इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. इजी है. Okay guys, so again reminding you that you guys can come into the Drona batch. The seats are still open, okay, and your favorite master teachers are going to teach you, but the coupon code that you have to apply is SKA Pro. So link kahan par hai? Description box of this video. The price is very much affordable, plus it's worth it. है ना, प्राइस अगर ज़्यादा भी हो कभी तो यू ऑलवेज सी द वैल्यू व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, एंड यहाँ पर तो प्राइसेस आर ऑल्सो चीप एंड वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, है ना. Okay, so we have to achieve 50 likes by the end of the session, and the session is ending now. I'll see you next time guys. Take care, stay hydrated, and please don't take any sort of stress. Okay, I'll see you in the next session. Bye.